Good morning, Tim N7KOM here, and we are at the Vista house outside of Portland, Oregon. I have actually not been to this location before, so this is the first time I've been up here in the 4 or 5 years that I've lived in Portland. Good views, but we are headed up there to Larch Mountain. And Andrew, K7AHR, is up on Mount Saint Helens. But we're hoping to get up there to Larch and get a summit to summit with him pretty soon. So we're not going to linger too long here. We are 6 miles into the ride, and we got about 14 more to go and a bunch of gain. But hey, good views. Let's get going. I don't know anything about the Vista house, so let's make something up. The Vista house was built in 1821 to house a really cool rock collection. The Vista house was constructed in 1776 by the Gondors. The Vista house was constructed to house the Silmarils, which were of course made by Fenway, king of the Noldor. And they shine with the light of the 2 trees created by Yavanna to illuminate Valinor. Right, enough of that nonsense. Let's go. All right, I had a feeling I was gonna get some gravel at some point. Kind of sucks we had to lose all that elevation coming down from Vista house. It is just sweltering in this forest. I mean, the shade I think would be nice. It's just so humid in here. Oh, and steep. I could have done a drive up today. As much as I love riding on gravel, we're on the clock today to make those summit to summits. So, nice to be on pavement. Which means it's going to be steep climbing out. Now that I'm on this, I vaguely remember seeing a blog post from someone that maybe there's a bridge that's out or something up here and it might not go through. So we'll try it out. We'll see how we do. Oh, that does not look super good. So that road was pretty good, but we get to here and that just does not look super. So I don't know, we'll see if we can pick our way across. We're gonna try to bushwhack for a bit, see if we can get there. Not looking forward to this, but I think if we just push on through. All right, stoke. I'm gonna kiss the pavement when I find it. Oh, this could have been a drive up. Right, so that nonsense put me significantly behind schedule. Probably took me a half hour to travel like 3/4 of a mile or something. Okay, it's 10:30. That's when I said I would be on summit. Yeah, we're gonna open up a bit, really work those legs, try to get up there, and hopefully Andrew K7AHR is still on Mount Saint Helens. All right, let's go. I don't know if this will ever end. Keeps going up. Nearly there to the parking lot. But I am way late. Man, feels like it's never gonna end. I'm pushing it a bit, but keep reminding myself it's all downhill on the way home. 100%. I can open up a little here.
Barely made it up here walking.
Yeah, November 7 Yankee from November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike. We're still getting some doubling there. Can you come again?
Yeah, it's Whiskey 7 Oscar Charlie November 033. Whiskey 7 Oscar Charlie November 033. This is N7YY.
N7YY, I got you at about a 3-3 from Larch Mountain on the Oregon side. 3-3 from Larch.
Okay, I copy your 3-3. You're a 5-5 here on Devil's Peak, so thanks for the summit. November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike from Kilo Juliet 7 Echo Hotel Alpha.
Kilo Juliet 7 Echo Hotel Alpha, go ahead.
You are 5-9, summit to summit from Lost Lake Butte, Charlie November 057.
All right, KJ7EHA got you summit to summit from Charlie November. Can you give me those numbers again?
Whiskey 7 Oscar Charlie November 057.
All right, Whiskey 7 Oscar Charlie November 057, and I am on the Oregon Larch Mountain. Over.
What's the designator on that?
I'm still catching my breath. I'll have to get back to you on that one in a second.
Okay, I could look it up. I was there on the summit to summit day when you were on Devil's Peak. I was there. So, what was my signal report, please?
Oh, you're full 5-9, full quieting.
Yeah, you as well. Okay, well, the guys on St. Helens are getting real close. They're probably 5-10 minutes away, they said on their last report. K7AHR, Kilo 7 Whiskey X-Ray Whiskey. Thank you very much for the summit to summit. This is KJ7EHA standing by on.
The designator for Oregon Larch is Whiskey Victor 062.
7, Kilo Oscar Mike. K7AHR, thank you for the designator. Are you near the peak? 2 minutes, 2 minutes. QRV, 2 minutes. QSL. M7K. Alpha Golf 7, Foxtrot United. Chasing SOTA.
You can see it now?
K7 whiskey X-ray whiskey Kilo 7 whiskey X-ray whiskey from N7 KOM.
N7 KOM, K7WXW, you're 5'9" into Rock Creek Trailhead.
Roger, Roger. So you are off summit then?
Yeah, I had to come down. I have to be in town by 1 o'clock.
Roger, Roger. Sorry I missed you on the summit to summit. I had a bit of a bicycle bushwhack, and I have you at a 3-1 from the Oregon Larch.
And you're about a 5'5" here. I'm going to wait for Andrew and Lauren to get up, and then I'm going to drive down.
Copy that. 7-3. Have a safe drive home. N7 KOM.
N7 KOM, this is K7IMA.
K7IMA, you are 5'7" from Oregon Larch. 5'7".
You're 5'9" here. Thanks very much. 7-3 K7IMA.
N7 KOM, November Romeo 7 Yankee.
NR7Y, this is N7 KOM. Got you at a 5'7" from Larch.
Good signal from Whiskey 7 Oscar, November Charlie 118.
All right, I got you at November Charlie 118, summit to summit. November Charlie 118, over.
Roger, Roger. Thanks, Tim.
7-3, beautiful day. N7 KOM.
Whiskey Uniform 7 Hotel.
Whiskey Uniform 7 Hotel.
Hey, Tim, you're about a 5'6" to 5'7" in Beaverton remote.
Good to hear you, Josh. You're a 5'9" full quieting over here. 5'9" full quieting.
All right, have fun. We'll catch you later. 73 W7H.
7-3, thanks for the contact. N7 KOM.
Yeah, Whiskey Bravo 7, Victor Tango Yankee.
Whiskey Bravo 7, Victor Tango Yankee. I got you at a 3-1 from the Oregon Larch Mountain. 3-1.
QSL, you're 5'5", 55 from Larcher from Bald Peak, November Charlie 051, over.
Summit to summit from November Charlie 051. Thank you for the summit to summit. Beautiful day to be out. Hope you get lots of contacts. 7-3 N7 KOM.
WB7 VTY from November. NR7Y, this is K7AHR.
Yeah, I don't.
K7AHR, NR7Y, great copy from Whiskey 7 Oscar, November Charlie 118. Copy NC 118, Summit to Summit from Whiskey 7 Whiskey, Lima Charlie 001. I've heard of that reference before. Fantastic. Thanks, Andrew. 7-3. I forgot the reference already. Can you say it again? November Charlie 118, NC 118. Copy NC 118. N7YY, K7AHR, Summit to Summit. Yeah, thank you so much for waiting, and be sure Lauren is 2 minutes behind me, and he'll work everyone just as soon as he's in the AZ, so hold for him, and then that'll be good. Anyway, any other Summit to Summit stations?
N7 KOM, summit to summit.
N7 KOM from Larch Mountain. This is K7AHR on Mount Saint Helens.
All right, got you at a full 5'9" from here, line of sight, and I hope you have a safe descent. And I'll hang out to get that next station. N7 KOM, 7-3.
73. K7AHR, Summit to Summit, anyone? KJ7EHA. WB7 VTY, you're on Bald Peak, right? QSL, November Charlie 051. Needless to say, you're 5'9". Thank you, Andrew. Whiskey 7 Charlie Oscar, you're 5'9", and I'm also in Scappoose, and I have all your reference. Good luck and be safe coming down. 73, you're 5'9" as well. Be sure to work Lauren as well. K7AHR, Summit's on there.
Roger, this is Kilo 7 India Whiskey on the summit.
Summit to summit.
Hey, Summit to Summit. Yo, 7, K7W, KI7VSF.
KI7 VSF. Hey there, Kevin. I'm here on Lima Charlie 001, Mount Saint Helens.
I hear you, Lauren, but you're really faint.
Okay, I don't have my big antenna yet, but glad to hear you hear me.
Good luck with other contacts, 73. See you when you get back.
See you then. K7IW, looking for more contacts.
Summit to summit, summit to summit.
To summit.
I think I heard Dan there. Summit to summit, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Lauren. This is N7YY, November 7 Yankee Yankee, on Whiskey 7 Oscar, Charlie November 033. Charlie November 033, over.
Someone else's screen, just make sure you don't crash.
Roger that, and I'm here on LC001.
What happened last time.
Okay, nice work, Lauren. Good luck, and 73 from N7YY.
Go ahead.
November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike, summit to summit.
November 7 Kilo Oscar Mike, this is Kilo 7 India Whiskey.
K7IW, I got you at a 5-1 full quieting from the Oregon Larch Mountain. Hope you had a good hike up and safe descent. N7 KOM QSY to 14656. N7 KOM 73 clear.
Roger 73, K7IW, summit to summit.
November Romeo, Whiskey Bravo 7 Victor.
A couple other snow-covered tops, but yeah, it's pretty hazy out beyond the horizon.
Cool, cool. Well, I'm very happy that I could get you. Is Andrew close by that I could get him real quick? K7Y, K7AHR. K7AHR, ND7Y. I've got you also at about a 5-3 down here. 73, you're 5-9 up here. Awesome. Thanks for the contact. Have fun up there. Safe trip down. 73 to you. ND7Y. 73, K7AHR.
I think I heard was it KA7YDF making contact? This is
KA7YDF. You're about a 4-5 right here. I know I contacted you earlier, but I haven't heard from Andrew yet.
All right, the activation by the numbers. Total ride time, 3 hours, 39 minutes, 34 seconds, 46.8 miles, max speed of 44.5 miles per hour, and elevation climbed 5,359. Heck yeah. Calories burned, 3,065. A lot of people out on summits today. It was good. Let's see here. All right, we got QSOs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. On VHF, not bad. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 7 summits to summits. That's great. Almost half my QSOs were summit to summit. If I had been a little faster on the bike and didn't have that bushwhack, would have gotten a few more on summit, I think. But so it goes. All right, this is N7KOM. Thanks for coming along. It's a fun day. Like and subscribe. 7-3.